In our Bingo project, we wanted to solve problems, water management problems. This meant looking at our 6 research sites and figuring out what our problems were. And we found them. Half-empty reservoirs, agricultural dry spells, flooding in urban areas, and many more. The solution for these problems included using hydro models, very helpful tools for end users, to better understand physical processes and to thus better predict impacts. However, hydro models need to be tailored, set up, calibrated and validated to local characteristics, such as catchments, aquifers and combined sewer networks. We developed a methodology to guide end users in the use and understanding of hydro models, bringing scientists and stakeholders together in order to understand why and how these problems are happening. This was done through activities such as fieldwork and computer model development. Our methodology directly involves stakeholders in the model setup and application in their own local contexts, integrating the local characteristics to create better solutions for the specific issues. You can learn more about our methodology on our website, projectbingo.eu. Bingo, a better future under climate change.